Alright guys, so welcome to Google Sky. This is a program online that is created by Google in which you can view more than just planet Earth. You can view the entire universe. I don't know if any of you guys have played around with Google Earth, looked at your house, looked at your neighborhood, maybe looked at our school, something like that. This is the exact same thing as that. It's just on a much bigger scale. So what you guys are looking at right now is the home screen. It's just a broad view of the galaxy. So I'm going to show you guys a couple of things that we can do when we're in the computer lab this week so that you guys can explore. So we're going to go down here. We're going to click on the solar system. You have the moon, the sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto. We're going to come over here. We're going to click on Earth. And now we are looking at Bloomington. We can zoom in. We're just going to get closer and closer to campus. You can scroll around. You can look at everything else. And this is how Google Sky works for Earth. You guys can zoom in. You can put in an address. You can search different locations. You can find different ways to get places. You can look for fun parks. So if we go back to Google Sky, here are the rest of the planets. I'm not going to show you guys anything else because I want you guys to be able to explore for yourselves when we are in the computer lab this week. So we're going to go back to home and let's look at some constellations. We will look for Leo. Sounds like a fun one. So now we have a broader view of the universe, but Google Sky has mapped out the constellations for us. So you can scroll around, you can look at different things. You guys can just explore the universe and see what you find. There's Leo. We can try Sagittarius. There's Sagittarius for you guys. We'll go back to home. And up here in this corner are 3 different options for how you can look at the universe. There's infrared, microwave, and historical. I want you guys to be able to see what these different things look like for yourselves. But we'll just scroll around and we'll see how everything looks in infrared. Now, that looks to me like a completely different view of the universe. You can slide it on and off. You can look how everything looks when you look at it through an infrared camera. A lot of these pictures are from the Hubble telescope, which we will discuss later on in class. Down here you have the Hubble showcase, which is just, you can look at tons of different pictures. You can look at the Pinwheel galaxy. And now when you click on something, once it loads, there's a ton of information that comes up on it so that you guys can read about it and learn something. So this is about all I'm going to show you guys for Google Sky, simply because I want you guys to be able to explore for yourselves. I don't want to ruin the fun of exploring the universe and looking at all the different things by showing you guys how to do it in this video. So we'll go back to the solar system. We'll look at Earth one more time. There's Bloomington. You guys can just explore everywhere. We're going to the computer lab this week, and after you guys watch this video, I hope that you guys can explore Google Earth and discover some things for yourselves.